So hello everyone, so now I'm going to show you how to create a navigation bar with an unordered list. So what I would like to start with is the nav tag. So nav, alright? So nav, you just open it and you close it just like that. Then right here, you are going to insert an unordered list. I'm going to use an unordered list. So I'm going to say UL. Alright, so UL, just like that. And then right here, I'm going to add a list item. So, alright, list item. So you see we have a dot there. So now I'm going to copy this because I'm going to have like 5 pages. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to create a link inside of this list item. So href equals to, then I'm going to quotations. I'm going to put a pound sign there. And I'm going to close my link. And right here I'm going to type in home. Alright, so you see right here that we have a home page right there. And when you click on it, it doesn't take me anywhere because I put a pound sign there. But you should add your links inside of this href. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this A tag and I'm going to place it in all of these list items. So I have 5 pages now and I'm going to change these ones. So for example, I'm going to change this one to products, and this one I'm going to say about us, and this one I'm going to change it to contact. So now if we save it, we will have a list here. So I want to remove these dots, so we are going to use CSS to remove these dots right here. So I'm going to type my CSS inside of my HTML. However, you can have an external sheet. You can type that in. If you select it correctly, you will be able to remove these bullets. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type in nav, alright? That's the name of the tag. And then we have the UL. Inside of it, we are going to say list dash style dash type. So list style type, and you can change it to a different thing if you want, but right now I'll go with none because I don't want to have them. Alright, so now that's one thing. Then I'm going to use another property, nav ul, then li, then a. Alright, so we have selected the nav tag, then the unordered list, then the list, then the a tag, which is anchors or our links. So we have selected them, and we are going to basically add this property. So text dash decoration, and I'm going to say none. And as I do that, you'll notice that there is no lines underneath them. So now let's say that we want to display this navigation horizontally. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select the nav, the UL, then the list item. Then we are going to say display colon inline. Alright, display inline block. So now you notice that we have a horizontal navigation. So now let's say that I want to change the colors of the links whenever I move my pointer on one of the pages. So to do that, you are going to select the nav, then UL, then LI, then A. Alright, so then you type in colon hover, then open 2 curly braces. Then I'm going to type in color, let's see, red. So I want the color to change to red. So now I'm going to save it and let's look at it. So now as you see, they change as I move my pointer. So now right here, for example, you can add you can add a background color here. So background color azure. Alright, save it, refresh it, and now there is a background to it also. So this is how you do it basically, and we have created a basic navigation bar. And also if you want to change the font size, so you can add the font size here. So font size, I'm going to say 13 pixels. So now we have it. So I hope now you have a basic idea about how to create a basic navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I will answer them. So thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.